Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail, and we're going back to the basics with them wings. I'm gonna show you guys how to make spicy buttered wings. Delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we got for today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken wings. We got lemon juice, olive oil, butter, cayenne pepper, parsley. We got fresh parsley here, paprika, mayo, tomato paste, more paprika, onion powder, black pepper, and we got some garlic salt right there. So that's all you need. Let's jump into it. To get started, we're gonna season our chicken wings. We're gonna start off with this olive oil, our garlic salt, got paprika, onion powder, black pepper, our mayo, tomato paste, and our lemon juice. And guys, we're gonna dive in this hand first, get this baby mixed up. All right, guys, this is looking good. All right, so we're gonna sit this aside, let it marinate about 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna start preheating our air fryer and also making our spicy butter sauce, all right? All right, so let's begin making our spicy butter sauce while our wings marinate. I already melted my butter. We're gonna add that fresh chopped parsley here, the dried parsley, paprika, a little of that cayenne pepper. And we're gonna get that mixed around like this. Just like that. We're gonna sit this aside, head over to our air fryer, let those seasonings marinate while we cook our chicken, all right? All right, so our air fryer is ready. It's preheated. I'm gonna hit it with a little cooking spray right here. Take our wings, add them in here. So we're gonna allow these to cook about 20 to 22 minutes. We're gonna flip them over halfway through the cooking process. Let's go ahead and get it closed so that beep stop beeping and get this baby going. All right, guys, we're gonna pause this real quick. We're about halfway through. Lift our hood. They're looking good already. We're gonna flip them over, allow them to cook on the other side for the remaining 10 to 12 minutes. All right, we're gonna put that back down and continue. All right, guys, so we are there. Take a look at this right here, man. So what we're gonna do now, we're good. We're gonna go ahead and move over to our cutting board, get these babies plated up so we can jump into our final presentation. And there you have it, guys. Spicy butter wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. Yep, it's quality control time. Let's bring out spicy butter wings to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at that. Ooh-wee. Man, I may have to use that as a thumbnail. That's, ooh, man, that's looking good to me. Oh, man. Oh, man. Pulling just straight off the bone like this. Oh. Oh man. God, fire. Yep, we back to the basics again. Might as well start the year out how we started the channel out with them wings. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, not a chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.